Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 14th of October. I'm James Spann. We're getting set for a soaking rain event for the state tomorrow. Maybe strong to severe storms over the southern half of the state, and the weather becomes unsettled again late this weekend and early next week. Things getting busy in the weather office, so here we go. Here's the upper look. The vortex that brought the cool air for the weekend is up in Canada. Have a zonal flow. And the visible satellite view. Got a lot of clouds around today. Most of the sunshine across the northeastern counties of the state. Temperature is a little below average. Low 70s in most spots. Birmingham at 72. Haleyville only at 66 degrees. Around the nation, there's the watch warning map. Very quiet. We don't expect any severe weather through tonight. Maybe a few scattered showers down across the southern half of the state. However, tomorrow, we have a marginal risk of severe storms for parts of the Gulf Coast region, including South Alabama. The main risk is south of a line from near Demopolis to about Verbena and Auburn. The area's in darker green. There could be a few storms down there with hail, strong gusty winds, and maybe even an isolated tornado based on the wind profiles. The big question mark, it's the instability. The air over North Alabama should be cool and stable. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, we begin to dry out, maybe a few showers down in southeast Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers back in the Pacific Northwest and down here in the Deep South. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state, maybe isolated amounts to 3 inches. And the bulk of that is going to be tomorrow and then again late this weekend or early next week. Off in the tropics, Melissa, now a post-tropical system up in the North Atlantic. Got a few waves to watch. One over Central America. This could come up toward the Bay of Campeche. Just a low chance of development there. One wave approaching the Windward Islands. Again, just a low chance, but a high chance of that disturbance off in the far eastern Atlantic, off the coast of Africa. That's Invest 94L. That will be gaining latitude, most likely stays way out in the eastern Atlantic. No threat at this point to the Lesser Antilles or the United States. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon. You can see a trough north of the state, a zonal flow here. And again, what happens, that surface boundary that's stalled out over southeast Alabama slowly comes northward as a warm front. We have overrunning, isentropic lift. And again, it should be just a big soaker for the state. The heaviest rain most likely will be down across the southern 2/3, but even up in Tennessee Valley, you'll see 1/2 to 1 inch. Now, this is the instability tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And you can see a very sharp gradient there. The air is unstable south of a line from near Sweetwater to near Montgomery and Eufaula. And in that zone, we might see a few strong to severe storms. In fact, this is the STP, the significant tornado parameter, showing values of 1 to 2.5 units over South Alabama. There's going to be some veering of the wind with altitude there. So if you are south of US 80, just be aware there could be a few storms that need watching tomorrow. But again, for most people, just a good beneficial rain. Wednesday, the rain will be ending very early in the day. The sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. The high will be around 70. Thursday, a picture-perfect fall day. We start the day in the low 40s. Colder pockets will see 30s. The high will be in the upper 60s to near 70. Blue sky sunshine. Same thing Friday. A sunny day with low 70s. We note that moisture down to the south. And Saturday, the GFS now suggesting there could be some rain for the southern half of the state Saturday. North Alabama dry, a chance of showers south of US 80. The high Saturday should be in the 70s. And then Sunday, we've got a low developing on the lee of the Rockies, east of Denver. And the Gulf opens up. And that looks like a mild day with a chance of showers. Not going to rain all day. There could be some thunder. The air should be unstable. The high Sunday in the upper 70s. And Monday, a week from today, a pretty good trough north and west of here. The surface low is north of Kansas City. And that looks kind of stormy. A good chance of showers, maybe a strong storm. The high would be in the upper 70s, maybe around 80. This is the instability on Monday. And you can see unstable air all the way up into parts of Indiana and Ohio. And remember, we are almost at that late fall severe weather season. It's almost that time of the year. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 24th. Broad troughing just west of here. That looks dry. And again, a pretty cold air mass. That's a 1,032 millibar high coming down into Montana. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, almost 3 inches over the next 15 days. And you can see the cool down later this week with 60s and 40s. We go back in the upper 70s by Sunday and Monday. Another shot of cool air toward the middle of next week with highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.